Welcome to my channel. My name is Umar Bhatt, and today I'm going to show you that how you can generate a custom background image in Google Meet. For instance, if you are doing a professional meeting with your client and your background is not good, as you can see, my background is very casual. I'm sitting in my room, so and you want to show your client like you are sitting in a good professional place. I'm sorry for the camera result, but I just want to show you like the background, how we can change it. So the main purpose is that. So you will see like we can go to Google Meet, and here we can start a new meeting, and we can start with the instant meeting. So once you are in the Google Meet, you can see here. Just give me a minute. Let me turn off the camera from my recording device. So you can see it is here, like the meeting is started, and the camera, you can see the background as well. So once you are in the dashboard here, you can see more options with the three dots. So you can click here, and here you can select background and effects. So you can click here, and you can see now the background, generative background, and here like you can select generate a background. This one you can select, or you can select some professional, for example, like this. If I select, you can see the background has been changed, and it looks amazing. And we can select some professional backgrounds. You can see I am again saying like for my camera result is not so good, but you can see the background has been changed. So if you have a good camera, so you can enjoy it. See how easily you can change the backgrounds, and according to your like work, you can change it, or you can generate a background here. So you can type here like for example, educational classroom. So you can generate some samples, and it is generating. It can take few seconds, like 20 seconds it is now showing. And you can see now some examples are there. So we can select any one of these, or for example, like let me select professional meeting room, and we create some samples here. So it takes few seconds, and so there are two things: custom background, like you can select the backgrounds that Gemini was showing, and I selected one of them. And second, you can just generate by typing. So you can select, for example, this one. Thanks for your rating. Please select the data you want to share along with your feedback. Okay, prompt and output as well, no worries. So we can select. See, it looks amazing. So like this, we can select, the background easily, and we can change. So now my original background was showing, the background with bed and blanket, because sitting in my own room. So now if I am meeting with my client, professional client, so now the background is looking professional. So this is a good way to generate custom background image, and in Google Meet. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Subscribe to my channel, and also share the video with your friends so they can learn these skills, and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.